Welcome to Christian Mission Learning Center Food Service Department. In a fully equipped commercial kitchen, the food service team prepares 3 meals daily: breakfast, hot lunches, and afternoon snacks. The meat we serve is USDA certified. We avoid highly processed meats. We serve meats such as catfish fillet, beef patties, roast beef, boneless chicken, pork loin, boneless pork chops, and more. We serve whole vegetables: greens, green beans, lima or butter beans, green peas, carrots, and more. We also serve fresh fruit, including strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, apple, oranges, bananas, and more. We serve real shell cracked eggs and wheat bread for better digestive health. No white bread. Our food service team receive constant training in food handling and safety. Our kitchen carries an A rating with the Mississippi Department of Health. This is how we do it at Christian Mission Learning Center. Come and join us.